Hello everybody, this is Tarina. I have been busy doing a color swatch for my Arteza water brush pens, and I got the 96 pack, so it took me a while, but I finally got them complete, and I thought I would show you how I managed to do some swatches. So these are not perfect, and I do also have some other colors and things in here that I use. So, but like I said, they're not perfect. They should be darker here and then gradient, but that for me, it's not too big of an issue. I can get an idea of the color that I'm using, which is the most important part for me. This one is ideal, you know, where it's got the dark and then it goes to light. However, yeah, it only happened with some of them. I can't sit for very long, so this would have took me 4 days if I had actually tried to do it perfectly. So I didn't do it perfectly, but I am okay with that. So pretty much what you need is a pen to write down the color, paintbrush, water, clean water, and your marker. So this one is navy or night sky blue, and I have a piece of watercolor XL Canson watercolor paper. It's 140 pound, and I just cut it down to 2 by 3. And then, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here like that, and then I'm going to dip my brush into the water just a little bit, and then just bring it down. And the more you bring it down, the more the lighter it will get, and that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the night sky name, which I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if it'll clear it up. There we go, night sky blue, 141. And then I'm just going to write that down here at the bottom, if I can get my pen to work. And I also put the number, so it's easy for me to find, and that's it. I just let that dry, and then I can add it to my swatches, and then I will be able to actually see what colors that I have. Now, that is pretty simple to do, and that way I know, I have this right here on my desk, so I can easily match colors or see what colors I want to use. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up as to what I've been up to, and maybe you guys can either be inspired or do this for yourself. And so I think I'm going to do a little close-up of what it turned out like. There we go. So it's not bad at all. I actually really like how this one turned out compared to some of my other ones, but it was very simple and easy, and I will let you guys go. I'm going to do another video on how I ink swatched I color swatched my ink pads, so I will be back with that video. Bye!